Greetings, this is a tutorial video on the use of Smart Notebook software to create multimedia presentations for use on the smartboard. The focus of this presentation will be utilizing the gallery items available to you in Smart Notebook software to add images, sounds, and other types of things to your Smart Notebook presentation to kind of spice it up and make it more of a multimedia presentation. Topics we're going to talk about today in this presentation are in this video. Starting basically, what are the basics of the gallery? How do we find the gallery? How do we find items within the gallery? And then inserting them, inserting those items, and then modifying them to meet our particular needs. In addition to basic gallery items, we'll also talk about applying a theme to a page, so you don't have to look at that blank white page. You can look at a page with a more soothing background to it. So first thing we'll do in order to go through these different topics in this video is open up a blank Smart Notebook file, and then with the blank Smart Notebook file open, you can kind of follow along with this tutorial as we go through it. First thing we're going to do is talk about where we can find the gallery tabs, the gallery tab, excuse me. And the gallery tab is right there. It's the picture frame tab on the side menu. The first tab on the side menu is the page sorter tab. The next one is the gallery tab, then the attachment tab, and the properties tab. We're going to talk right now again about the galleries tab. So if I click on that, you can see that it comes up with gallery essentials highlighted, and then we see the different categories of items within the gallery essentials. In addition to the gallery essentials, there's a couple other useful galleries here. Lesson Activity Toolkit has a lot of interactive and multimedia items that I think are very useful to you within the classroom. And the Gallery Sampler has a lot of more basic items, but also has some things that are going to be important to us in some later conversations about the use of Smart Notebook files, so Smart Notebook software. At any rate, once you've selected one of the galleries, you can see the different categories of items, and you can click in one and then scroll through until you find it. But you can see it's alphabetized, and even though it's alphabetized, that can be extremely painful since we've got quite a selection of items here. So a better way than to just randomly search through alphabetically for whatever it is you're looking for is to use the search feature in the gallery, and you can see down here it says type search items. Search terms, excuse me, here. So if I click there and type something I'd like to search for, we'll try dog here, and then click enter or click the search button there. You can see it pulls up some resources that might be applicable to me. If I'm looking for a picture, I'll click in the picture tab, and you can see some pictures of dogs here. This one looks great. And to insert that, what I did is double-clicked on the image. I can also click and go to the corner icon and click Insert in Notebook. So two ways to do that: double-click or through the Insert menu. Once I have the dog inserted, I can obviously resize it. I can move it around, position it wherever I want it on the page. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, whatever your particular use for this dog that you're inserting would be. A couple other things, obviously you can search for whatever you need within the gallery, but let's search for sounds. And if we search for sounds, we're going to get a lot of interactive multimedia, and all of these will be some sound that we can play in the Smart Notebook file. So let's see what clapping hands sounds like. If we click that, you can see it's an animated GIF, and if we click this corner icon, you might not be able to hear that, but there's applause playing. So again, there's sounds that you can insert. There's obviously images and a variety of other things as well. The next thing we're going to look at, other than just inserting and modifying gallery items, is what about making it so that we don't have this white screen. So again, within the gallery, if we go back from our search and just click on the gallery essentials, we can see pictures, interactive and multimedia, lesson activities, notebook files and pages, and then backgrounds and themes. If we click on the backgrounds and themes, you get quite a list of different kinds of backgrounds and themes. Some of them are more design oriented, and some of them are more utilitarian, like printing paper and like coordinate planes and that sort of thing. So if you want a theme, you just find the theme that you're looking for, find a theme that looks like it's going to be something nice for you, and double click on it. A lot of them are seasonal or related to seasons. Um, and, and I'm not a huge fan, to be honest with you, about a lot of the gallery backgrounds and themes. I think there's a better way to do it, and we'll talk about that later. But you can see once I've clicked on that, I just double clicked on it, it inserted into the page, and you can see I've got my nice little sand castle on the page, and it looks more pleasing than the blank white screen. Within the gallery, though, we're in Gallery Essentials just now. I'm going to click in Gallery Sampler, because within Gallery Sampler we have backgrounds and themes also. Many fewer backgrounds and themes. There's only 25, but something interesting about these themes, they work a little bit differently than the galleries and themes in some of the other the backgrounds and themes in some of the other galleries. So if I click on this and click on the corner and click Insert in Notebook, you can see I get this pop-up menu that says, please choose from the following options to define the theme scope. Do I want to insert on all pages? Do I want to insert on the pages of the current group? Insert on the current page only? And I want to insert on all pages because I want to have that unifying theme as my background. So I'm going to insert on all pages, and I'm going to click OK. You can see not only did I get the background automatically, but you can see also the text changed to the to the theme text, which is nice if I've set things up and want them to look kind of unified. So again, you can see it inserted on both pages also. And using themes is a good idea to make your presentations more visually appealing to those that are going to view it. So that's the basics of using the gallery. We'll talk more about the gallery and different things we can do with it in later versions of these presentation videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.